We now working very hard to expand agriculture. And this process, we want farmers to actively participate because our businesses, the Ministry of Agriculture, is to facilitate agriculture, production, growth and development. But it's you, the farmers, who will be undertaking the core business. We are trying to do our best to see how we can expand the base of agriculture. When I say expand the base of agriculture, I mean more acreage under production, more productivity per unit land area, efficiency. We also want that you concentrate on certain crops that we advise so that we will provide you with the market. In Northern Division, we are promoting livestock farming. You would have known, you would have just seen, some of you, we handed out fencing material to about 45 farmers. In Vanvalevu, this is the first phase. We will be providing more fencing material, more support to expand livestock production in Vanvalevu. We are promoting Yangona farming. We are promoting pulses. We are promoting dalo, promoting cassava, promoting rice. These are the key crops that we are promoting in the Northern Division at large scale level, commercially grown. About 4 months ago, I invited IMA, Agro Marketing Authority, in my office and said that we want them to establish offices, collection points in the interior where the farmers are. That's why you have seen that we now have an agro marketing collection point here at Vanikoro. Never before we had that. What it says that you grow the crops that we are asking you to grow, you don't have to worry about market. You don't have to go and look for market. We will get the market to you. We will get the market to your farm gate. We will get the market to your doorstep. All we want you to do is to produce these crops. Dalo, cassava, yams, pulses, rice, turuka. We will collect it. We will collect it. We will pay you at the farm gate within 3 days. We will deposit in your account. And we want you to expand. So, the issue about market, you should not worry. I was in Australia about 2 weeks ago, and I explored market there. And I want to say it's very promising. Very promising. We are not targeting just the former Fiji residents who are now staying in Australia or New Zealand. We are targeting the entire Australian consumers, the entire New Zealand consumers. That's the future. If you only target the former Fiji residents, then what after them? So we need to target the Australian consumers and New Zealand consumers. And for that, we need to enter Woolworths, Coles, these kinds of supermarkets. Our product needs to enter. And we are now developing a strategy in terms of quality, processing, packaging, so that we get our products into Australian supermarket, New Zealand supermarket, so that we target the entire Australian and New Zealand consumers. So today I'm here to listen to you, your issues, and see how we can support you to expand agricultural base here. As I said, that we want you to produce, we will buy all. Rice, pulses, engona, dalo, cassava, yams, and livestock. In livestock, we are promoting sheep, dairy, and beef cattle. These are the three we have got major emphasis, we're putting major emphasis. So with these words, I want to open the floor up to any questions, any comments, and I will be happy to respond. You buy oil. You can plant 100 acres. We need to quickly collect it and get it to the market, because Fiji rice will have their own drive. Our priority list, on our compulsory list of buying the new oil, chicken, etc. You're not going to